Okay, hi, my name is Charles Carini, and I've been living here in Riften for 3 consecutive years. It was a little bit drafty, and it really had the furnace cooking all the time. Even without our desire not to have a hot house. Just a normal house would be nice. It wasn't achieving that without spending like lots of money every month for it.
So through SEALD's program, Home Advance is a marvelous program for homeowners because it allows them to use the energy savings to pay for the work that we do in their house, which is excellent for the homeowner. It allows us to do everything that we need to do to make the house comfortable, healthy, and safe for the occupants. So in the case of the Carinis, we used the infrared camera and took images of various areas that we saw there was a lot of air leaking into the house. In their case, we had a goal of reducing their infiltration by 25%. We actually were able to reduce their infiltration by 37%. So we actually exceeded our own expectations on this house.
The comfort level it's 100% better. 100% better, and I do believe the fuel usage is decreased dramatically. Before I go for solar or geothermal or anything else, I want my house to be buttoned up. That is the pinnacle of good stewardship of the property, in my estimation. So SEAL did a great job.